Okay, ODI and 5-time National and Supercross champion Jeff Emig are back at it with the Emig 2.0 V2 lock-on grips. These are really cool. Let's check them out. These are made from a more medium durometer compound for comfort and durability, unlike the old ones which were more of a softer. Aggressive tacky knurls for improved crush and enhanced traction. We've noticed that as these grips get used and worn in, they become even more comfortable to your hand. Tonal microfiber rib branding with contrasting Emig logo. 9 amazing colorways matching all brands, fitting most popular MX and off-road bikes. Also, it's the same amazing ODI V2 lock-on system, including 6 throttle cams. Okay, so that's a quick look at the Emig 2.0 V2 lock-on grips. We really like these new grips. Hopefully you will too. Check them out at odigrips.com.